Thomas Edison once said, "The doctor of the future will give no medicines, but will interest his patients in the care of the human frame, in diet, and in the cause and prevention of disease." But we might ask, whatever happened to this promise? Virtually every day, we hear about the healthcare crisis in America, but do you really know what this crisis is all about? If you or a loved one were facing a life-threatening disease such as cancer, heart disease, or neurodegenerative disease, or your child were suffering from autism-like symptoms, would you truly know your options? Introducing the Centers for Advanced Medicine. You are about to go on an adventure of discovery that could positively impact your life, your health, and the health of your loved ones both now and for future generations to come. You have viable choices and you do have options. They are now available through the Centers for Advanced Medicine. The Centers for Advanced Medicine have been established to provide you with a network of highly trained and dedicated doctors skilled in the treatment protocols of Dr. Rashid A. Buttar. Dr. Buttar is known as a scientist and physician who applies good common sense, and a doctor whose approach is bringing healing, even to those for whom the medical community at large no longer offers hope. Dr. Buttar's patients do get better, from heart disease, cancer, diabetes, autism, and many other conditions too numerous to mention. Dr. Buttar has touched the lives of countless grateful patients with his effective and insightful application of what he likes to call good medicine. This methodology respects the innate intelligence of the body to heal itself when properly detoxified and supported through good science, nutrition, and other practices that lead to optimum health. As a result, Dr. Buttar's reputation has catapulted him to the forefront in medicine, where he is considered by his peers to be one of the preeminent physicians in the United States. His remarkable body of research and successful treatment protocols find him constantly in demand, lecturing and teaching physicians around the globe. Motivated by a passion for truth and healing, Dr. Buttar is leading the way to a new, sensible healing paradigm. To accomplish the goal of making these advanced protocols widely available, he has developed a specific physician training program as a resource for continuing medical education. Here, leading doctors are trained in healing modalities that truly address the basics that lead to well-being and vigor. Only those physicians who have successfully completed this program are invited to establish a Center for Advanced Medicine to distinguish those doctors who have met the most demanding criteria and stringent standards of eligibility. But Dr. Buttar's work goes far beyond the lecture hall, the lab, and his clinic. Dr. Buttar is an activist and advocate among government leaders and legislators. He educates politicians and the public alike, and he works tirelessly to defend and preserve patients' rights for access to medical protocols that are proven safe and effective, yet are not necessarily known to mainstream medicine. Dr. Buttar's efforts have brought him and his patients before a congressional committee in the nation's capital as he presented documentation regarding the devastating effects of mercury from various sources, including dental amalgams and inoculations, and the direct effect it is having on the nation's children and the Alzheimer's population as well. Dr. Buttar's accomplishments and credits are far-reaching, but what is truly important to him is that you recognize there is more to reaching optimum health and well-being than you may have previously been told. No matter your age, whether you are seriously ill, have been given no hope, or you're not feeling like you're experiencing your greatest potential, or simply want a better, healthier, happier life for yourself or a loved one, you too will now have the opportunity to regain control of your own health. During this program, you will meet many others who were in similar circumstances as yourself or someone you know, and you'll hear personal stories of success. You are in the right place at the right moment. It is no accident that you are viewing this program today. It's about time and long overdue that you are finally made aware of the facts, so now you too can know your options.